How are you? I hope you're doing great. Thanks for following me on my channel and subscribing. Remember, all my recipes are written under each video. Don't forget to check out all my other recipes that I have that include low carb, high protein, low fat, low sodium, desserts, and different kinds of meal options, grocery tips, meal plan, meal prep, and of course, just some tips on your journey. Tonight, for what's for dinner, I made some delicious trout and these green beans. They're the fine French cut green beans that I bought at Costco. And I just steamed them up and I added just a little bit of, I can't believe it's not light butter, about a teaspoon, and 2 teaspoons is 30 calories. So, depending on how much you want to use, you can use fresh or powdered garlic, a little bit of Himalayan salt, a squeeze of lemon, and of course, a little bit of pepper for taste. And on my salmon, I've used some dill dip. I added some other spices. You can check out my recipes for my fish recipes on my YouTube. And that's what's for dinner tonight. Just a low carb option. I'm not as hungry. Usually I'll have a sweet potato or regular potato or maybe a third to a half cup of rice, or I have squash. But sometimes you just want a lighter dinner, and this is a great option for what's for dinner. Of course, you could have this for lunch too. Why not? So that's what I'm having. I hope this helps you guys on your journey for a dinner or lunch. Okay, don't forget all my recipes are written under each video. Bye for now.